Welcome to our detailed review of the Jisulife Outdoor Fan Ultra1. This versatile fan is crafted from high-quality ABS material combined with an aluminum telescopic rod, ensuring durability and a lightweight feel at just 670 grams. Its IPX4 rating makes it resistant to water splashes, perfect for various outdoor conditions. The design stands out with mold texture, engraved characters, sandblasting oxidation, and semi-transparent ABS, all enhanced with silicone for added grip and aesthetic appeal. The fan's compact size is comparable to a 500 to 700 ml thermos, making it easy to store and transport. Additionally, it features a pop-up quick storage tripod suitable for different outdoor terrains, ensuring stability wherever you set it up.
Exposed at night, we're getting closer. Thought waves crashing on me. As long as
The Jisulife Ultra1 is more than just a fan. It's a multifunctional outdoor tool designed to meet various needs, as a handheld fan, tabletop fan, or even a hanging fan. Thanks to its versatile design, the powerful 80,000 RPM high-speed energy-saving motor provides 10 adjustable wind speed levels, delivering a strong wind power of 57 feet per second. This advanced motor technology ensures efficient cooling with less energy consumption. The airflow is accelerated and compressed by the air duct turbine, resulting in a natural and powerful wind feel. Air turbo technology further enhances its performance by increasing airflow coverage and wind distance. Jisulife Ultra1 is equipped with impressive lighting capabilities, making it a reliable companion for nighttime outdoor activities. It features a camp light that provides up to 3080 lumens for broad illumination and high beam headlights with a maximum of 93 lumens. Additionally, there's an SOS light function for emergencies. Powered by a 13,500 mAh battery, this fan offers extensive usage time, ranging from 1 to 8 hours depending on the selected settings. Fast charging technology allows the battery to be fully recharged within 3 to 4 hours using the 20-watt USB-C input, ensuring minimal downtime. It also includes a USB-A 10-watt output, making it versatile for charging other devices. Jisulife Ultra1 is designed for ease of use. Switching between standby and shutdown is straightforward with the power button. A long press turns on the fan, entering standby mode where only the power is on, and a long press again turns it off. The fan has a built-in safety feature that automatically shuts it down if left in standby mode without operation for an hour. Adjusting the wind speed is also very simple. Short press to cycle through 10 speed levels and long press to turn it off. The light functionality is equally user-friendly, with a short press cycling through brightness levels and SOS mode, and a long press turning it off. The tripod opens with a slide and stores with a press and push mechanism, ensuring stability and portability. The telescopic rod allows for height adjustment and can rotate 270° left and right and 90° up and down for optimal positioning. Jisulife Ultra1 excels in a variety of practical applications. It includes nozzles for dust cleaning, drying hair and clothes, inflating beds or tents, and even starting fires, making it indispensable for camping and outdoor adventures. Its multifunctionality, robust design, and long battery life ensure it meets diverse needs while remaining portable and easy to use. The fan also features dual indicator lights to show the status and battery level, adding to its user friendly design. Whether you need a powerful fan, a reliable light source, or a handy power bank, the Ultra One stands out as an all in one solution, making it a must have for outdoor enthusiasts. Jisulife Outdoor Fan Ultra1 is a powerhouse of features packed into a compact design. With its high-speed motor, multifunctional capabilities, and durable build, it enhances your outdoor experience. The fan's ability to adapt to various environments and tasks, along with its long-lasting battery and fast charging, makes it a practical and reliable companion. Its combination of high-performance airflow, lighting options, and versatile usage modes ensures you stay comfortable and prepared no matter where your adventures take you. Well, I've left a link of this Jisulife Outdoor Fan Ultra 1 in the description box. Go ahead, check the product. But before that, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Oh,